Step 1. Switch your trailer into training mode. By simply removing the wheels and hitch arm and resting the flat, stable plastic base on the floor, your trailer can easily be converted into a cozy kennel for your dog. We recommend doing this immediately upon opening your new THULE Bexey and in the comfort of your own home to help your dog familiarize itself with its new trailer. Encourage your dog to spend as much time as possible in the trailer and even place your dog's toys, blanket, and treats inside so that the space will quickly feel and smell familiar. Open the flaps fully on the front and rear so that the dog can enter or exit from either side and come and go as they please. You can even turn this into a game by seeing if your dog can walk through the tunnel all by themselves. If your dog is particularly shy or apprehensive towards the trailer, try placing their food bowl inside so they can eat inside the trailer. Step 2. Attaching the wheels and hitch arm to simulate the real-world height. After a few days, your dog will start to feel comfortable with the trailer. This is when it is time to install the wheels and hitch arm to simulate the height and movement of the trailer. Encourage your dog to get inside and sit or stand as they please. Once they are comfortable with jumping in and out, try moving or shaking the trailer slightly to give them the feeling of movement.